Kasi here in verse 6, meaning yan. So, happy, happy. And then that's it. Verse 7. I give you example. For example, ang death. No, I understand. It's not a fit. Ang deaf yan. Mag-sign ka nga fit yan. Different. Yeah. That is it put there. That is seven. That is why, and it says, that's one. The second, the Proverbs we learn that the people that is superior control, and if this sign nga lie, they are worst. So if the deaf nga fools, maganyan-ganyan ng English, is not fit. And then ang hearing nga nagaganyan-ganyan but lie, then it's worst. Okay, so that is the two. They are all negative. Now, that is why ang meaning yan, ang God He wants at His fit. Say you are deaf, so we sign FSL, it's fit. Now, when you sign FSL, it's fit. Can you lie? You cannot kasi it's fit. Yeah, it's good. Now, English ka na ganyan. Oh, you're worse. Meaning you are worse. Yes. And then big. And then you are worse. Tingnan mo, beautiful. And then you are worse. Kanina nag-like ka. Kawawa. Now in verse 8 it says, the person that give the bribe. See the sign? The person that give the bribe, and then you are in the office. So there too, when you give the bribe, you do like. See, meaning you give ako ang responsible. That is bribe. And then you're in the office. Now, that important the sign. Mag-learn kayo. Yes. Or it's like that. Who is wrong? Who is wrong? Who? Kasi this two. Si Annalisa nag-answer. Si Annalisa correct. Both are the same nga wrong. See, you bribe. Like for example, si Mary Ann. Na ganyan-ganyan dun sa Manila. Pag buy ng cake at saka bano. Nag-cry. Nag-cake. Nag-cry. Kasi nag-bribe. Wag ganyan. Mag-learn. So that is the one. See. So attention kayo. The person nga nag-give the bribe and he think it is like a miracle. So it's like that. Yes, he think it's a miracle, and the person think ang bribe through all habit pass. Kasi you do like that. Wag, you do like that. Wag, and different. That's what they think. So ang bribe, meaning yan, pass. It's like that. It's like that. So now verse 9 says here, now ang person that sinned, but the person any love. Okay, again. The person that sinned, but the person any that he loved. Okay, and he forgave. The person continue friend have. The meaning yan, for example, if you are two of you, okay, here, this person sinned. Okay, so this person sinned, and then you say, it's okay, I forgive you. Okay, so meaning you continue. But for example, if the person sinned, that is, the person sinned, and then later you do this, and then you gossip, and then sorry friend, stop. Now, see, so that is, these are the problems. So my question here, ang verse 7 is about, it's about the sign that is the fools ka mag-sign ka, you think you understand, you are if not, it's like the deaf maganyan ng English, sorry, it's not if not, and then nag-sign ka dyan, nagganyan-ganyan ka, ang layo, ang terrible is worse. Now this is ang verse 7, it is the proverbs that join to God, or it is the proverbs join to the person. You sign, compare, you understand, but true is not if not. That you understand na kaganyan ka, but true is not if not. And then if you sign nga lie, it's worse. So is it joined to the person or joined to God? Actually, attention kayo. This is the origin yan sa God. Okay? Kasi ang God bawal mag-lie. Now, because the culture of the Christian is based sa God, so nag-copy. That is why you remember that in the home, the father stop, yeah, the father, the home, ang origin yan sa God. Yeah, ang origin sa God. Kasi for example, there is God, wala din ka mag-leka country. But because in God, wow, kasi that is, so meaning yan, the origin sa God and the person, they copy that, they do like that. Yeah, it's like that. Now, the third, ang bribe, is it sa God or the person? Kasi ang bribe is the same na sa life. For example, the teacher, the grade I fail, and then the grade mapas. Now you understand. So that is wrong. So ang origin niya kasi ang verse 7 and 8 they join. Kasi ang bribe it's a lie. It's a lie. So they join the same like that. So it's both the same. Ang origin sa God and then the person, they do like that. That is why when you do like that, like example sa government, the people they do like that, the senator nag million and yung ganyan, yes, the girl they do like that kasi they bribe. So they catch and the girl sa jail. Yeah, so that is the same. So ang origin yan sa God and then the government card. Kasi when you bribe, that is wrong, that is corrupt. You destroy. That is the meaning. Corrupt. Yeah. So that is verse 7 and 8 did you like that. Now ang last in verse 9. So, now when the person who bribed ang wrong and the sin, and then you forgave, and you become friend. But the wrong and the sin, and then you gossip and you spread like that, and then the friend stop. Question, is that joined to the person or joined to God? Yes, this is the person. Kasi dapat so it's wrong. yes, it's like that and do like that and ganyan ka sa person. So that is why, yes. So, ang God is ang God yan dapat honest. And then, now, if you try to analyze this one, ang verse 9, it's also joined to God. Kasi ang God yan, ang God is holy. So when the person unsin, it has to be rebuked, right? But ang person niya kasi they are friends, so they do like that. So that is what the person can add. Now you learn. So ang Proverbs, you have to analyze if it is the Proverbs done unto God or the Proverbs on the person. Actually, ang Proverbs, all they are not bad, they are not. That's why they are put there in the Proverbs. Ang Proverbs, there is no evil. Okay? They are right. They are Proverbs. They are not evil, no. But ang problem, how? Yeah. I give you for example, are they evil? No, they are not. Now you understand, but sorry, it's different. So that is the comparison. That is why we learn. So, ang person nga good, but sorry, ang God more is good to eat. That is why si Jerusalem I explain, your family is good, is not the evil, it's not. Your mother, si JL, your mother, father, is good, they are not evil, na. But sorry, kasi there is God nga more good to which better God. So that is why our Proverbs is saying, yes, is the person that Solomon gathered sa Babylon, he gathered sa Egypt, he gathered sa Assyria, that is good. But God is more. So better God. Better God. So, analyze and then you choose God. It's important. Just like in the mother, father, the home, it's not bad. Like example, si JL, he told me, kasi si Jerusalem explained, how JL, sayang, for example, si JL, faithful, mag-learn more strong the mind, but kasi he told me, well, kasi that's the person they think. But it's fake. But no, kasi si Eman, kasi si okay. So it's like that. Kasi the father like maganyan. I like. You know why? That is why he kasi mga that is the meaning you have to decide. Huwag ka mag-depend. Wag. You do like that. that is why people may need it. Kasi it's good. It's quality and health. and then I said, Meaning, if I do it and I win, meaning it's glorify God. Yes. That is sport. It's play, that is sport. It's not true nga. Kill, no. That is sport. Tama, right? That is true. Yeah, that is really true. That is why it's important. And then the people. Kasi he read the Bible in the morning. And he read the Bible at night. Two. And he has no friend. Kasi before na si nasa na siya. That is why ang GMA, the boss. That is why ang GMA. Now you understand. That is why ang GMA, their purpose to get man para influence ang mga young about God. Kasi maraming mga young God wala. About God wala. He's only one. Nga pray about God. That's why not siya nag-apply. So I guess maybe ang GMA, maybe may Christian sa mga boss maybe. It's like that. They depend yan sa mga boss. It's like that. Yeah, kasi that is the blood. Sa the blood. Kasi nag-get ka blood that is the blood. Depends sa blood. That is why the ganyan. Kasi is maliit. Maybe old 9. Nag-practice na siya ng ganyan-ganyan. Oh, he did like that din sa Philippines. Kasi ang nagganyan sa Japan. So when he did like that sa 12, ang ganyan sweetheart ng mother. That is why when the mother siguro nagaganyan siguro kasi sweetheart, and then and so and then the mother so he trained in Japan. Si ganyan na guide. That is yes, it's like that. And then later on, the mother nag-give up. And then again. For 5 years ago. So 12, 13, 14, 17, he did like that. And then maybe si money na guilty. Anahiligan. Yes, that is 17. That is the last one. Now, si Jerusalem ay analyze. Kasi si I analyze, it's yeah, it's like that. I think the white I just that kasi si Manila 17 December nag birthday dapat dapat dito dapat dapat the girl down the white so the problem is natural yeah, right. So marami people yes marami people yes ito sila may agree kasi for example if your son you have to oh kasi if your son dapat kasi this that's my dapat every day magtuka dyan whatever and then wala so yes wala so the people yeah so ito sa I guess maybe kasi yeah, it's yes, natural. So if I am for example, the wife, you have to do it. And then, tama, he feel happy but zero, wala. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, before now and so it's like that is the story anyway. I think that they have many questions. This is what I told you. No, okay. So